So viewers, today we are going to demonstrate a very common orthopedic emergency procedure, that is the reduction of dislocation of the patella. Today our patient is a 15 years old female patient who presented to us with the chief complaints of pain and swelling on the left lower limb and inability to stand and bear weight over the left lower limb for last 1 hour. She had history of twisting injury while working in the bathroom 1 hour back, and followed by this episode. So we did a thorough clinical examination and the radiological examination, and that revealed the dislocation of the left patella. Clinically, there is a obvious dislocation of the left patella. The patient, the left lower limb is definitely externally rotated, and this patella is dislocated laterally, whereas the right side, the patella is facing anteriorly. So it is there are some predisposing factors that may lead to dislocation of the patella, like high riding patella or patella alta, the wider Q angle, the quadriceps angle, or sometimes the weak VMO, the vastus medialis obliquus muscle. These are all the predisposing factors for the patella dislocation. Majority of the cases, if it is not associated with small bone fragment fracture inside the knee joint, the management will be the conservative, that is the close reduction under sedation, followed by the maintenance of the knee extension in the long knee brace or RM knee brace for 3 weeks, followed by the quadriceps strengthening exercise. If it is associated with the osteochondral fracture or inside the joint, then it is an indication of open surgical dislocation. Today, after the thorough radiological investigation, we have not found any such fragments, so we are going to do the close reduction. So he is my assistant, Mr. Borun, and he is going to flex the knee. So do the flexion of the knee gradually. Flexion करना, एक जोन एक तकिया हटा लेना, मुड़ना धीरे-धीरे मुड़ना. So I am holding the lateral border of the patella, and I will push the patella anteriorly and medially. और थोड़ा सा मुड़ना. धीरे-धीरे. अभी नहीं. धीरे-धीरे. So this is a clicking sound, and obviously you have seen the patella has been reduced, and once the patella has been reduced, the architecture of both the knee is symmetrical, and the obvious deformity, that is the external rotator of the lower limb, that has been vanished, and the pain of the patient has obviously gone out. So thank you viewers for watching this video. So just for radiological configuration, this is the X-ray of both the knee joint, especially in the left knee joint, that is the affected knee in AP view. Here you are clearly seeing the patella has been dislocated laterally. Here is the patella, dislocated patella laterally. Now we are going to demonstrate the post-reduction X-ray of this patient. So this is the post-reduction X-ray of this patient. Here you are showing the symmetrical location of the patella. The patella has been nicely reduced. This is the left side, and it is comparable with the normal side, right, nicely reduced. So we are going, as I have discussed, to maintain the long knee brace for 3 weeks, followed by the quadriceps strengthening exercise to be started. Thank you.